Hello, this is She the People TV and I am Dr. Tirtha Shetty, also known as the Fervid Gynecologist on Instagram. Today, let's talk about breast pain, the reasons and the treatment for the same. Breast pain is one of the most common complaints that we see in clinical practice. Let me broadly divide breast pain into cyclical and non-cyclical breast pain. Cyclical breast pain is the kind of breast pain which usually begins a week or 10 days before your menstrual cycle or your period, and it usually subsides either once your period starts or once your period is over. This is completely normal and usually does not require any treatment. If the pain is too troublesome, visit your doctor, who might advise local application of ice, some painkillers or some supplements for the same. Please do not self-medicate. What is non-cyclical breast pain? Non-cyclical breast pain usually does not correspond with your period or your menstrual cycle and is usually more in one of the breasts. Visit your doctor, who will do a clinical examination and may advise one of the following investigations. It could be a mammogram, a sonomammogram, or a plain ultrasound. The most common conditions responsible for non-cyclical breast pain are fibrocystic disease of the breast, which are water-filled cysts in your breast, or ductectasia, that is dilatation of the ducts present in your breast because of filling up of secretions. These conditions are normal and are usually because of changes in the hormone levels in your body, and they subside spontaneously without any treatment. The next kind of pain is a musculoskeletal pain. If you have just started working out or you're working out after a long gap and you do upper body exercises such as push-ups, pull-ups or bench press, you may end up having pain in your breasts. What can you do for them? You can wear a well-supported bra if you continue working out, or take a few painkillers after consulting your doctor to help with the pain, and you could wait for about 2 to 3 days for the soreness to subside by itself. If you are a breastfeeding mother and you have pain in your breast, it could be because of the milk getting accumulated in your breast and causing the heaviness and pain in your breast. Visit your obstetrician, who will examine you, might give you a few painkillers to help with the pain, will advise you to frequently empty your breasts. If you develop a lump, any redness, any fever or any rise in temperature on your breast, your doctor might get an ultrasound done. If the ultrasound reveals an abscess, it means that the lump is infected, and depending upon the size and the severity of your symptoms, the doctor will advise either medical or surgical management. Last but not the least, let me bust a few myths. Any underwire bra, any deodorant, any talcum powder, or keeping your phone in your pocket near your breast will not cause breast cancer. There is no research or evidence to support the same. What should you do? You should do a self-breast examination after your menstrual cycle is over or after your period is over, and if you notice any lump, any changes in the skin over your breast, any discharge from your nipples, go and visit an obstetrician. Pain in the breast is usually not an early sign of breast cancer, so please do not panic. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.